Custom wheels here. Ground effects. Now that well, first of all, what we're doing is all right, let's take it outside. And as you can see, these truck here is getting these right here. As you can see, this is what they're getting on there. These gonna be fly on here. These gonna be a 275 16 20 tires on a 20-inch rim, as you can see. And we gonna get it all set. You see my man in there chilling, waiting supposed to get it done. Listen, that real ooh-wop right now, as you can see. All right, this is the new machine right here that we just got. So I'm learning it a little bit. This is our old machine. As you can see, its guts are out on the floor right now. So that's. Other than that, we got these rims down here. We about to dismount this tire here and then remount some new rims on it. Hopefully it don't take me that long. I got about 5 minutes on this video, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's make it happen. So once that happens, you want to lock this arm in right here. Once you lock that arm in, you want to bring this arm down. It's like a guide arm or something like that. Mind you, now I'm just learning the machine, so bear with me. So we're gonna drop that. Now my guide arm over here is more of like a roller that I normally would use. This is something, a whole different setup here. And I'm still trying to learn to lock these things and make it happen. So let's throw the gloves on and see what Custom Wheels got for you. Because at the end of the day, we got to make it happen no matter what, right? And as you can see, I already got 2 on the car. So those went smooth. So we're looking to see these go smooth. First thing you want to do is pry it down with your trusty bar. Once that's pried in, you want to rotate. Boom. Once that's like that, you want to get up under it with your bar. Get to the other side of the lip of the tire. Once that's there, you want to bring it up. Now me personally, I like to bring it back just a little bit to get it started. Once that's down, boom. And there you have it. Dismount. Bada boom, bada bing. Since we're using the same tires, we're just gonna move these tires over. Now what's been holding this up is the sensor. The sensor is not compatible to our actual stem that we have, so I gotta shorten the stem a little bit in order to put his sensor on. And that's important. Why? Because you want your sensors in your wheels in order for it to read your actual PSIs. Which is that? What is PSIs? Or that's your actual pressure on your tires, or how much air is in your tire. And that's normally located right there up under your valve stem itself. When you put your air in, your sensor is always right there. Just for those that know that. So with that, now we're gonna snatch that out of there and go from there. You got your brother Jim in the back. Excuse me. We're gonna zip that off there. Boom. And once that's done, that's dismounting the tire. We're gonna mount it back, and you get to see that in just a second. All right, so now that we have that dismounted, now we're gonna start the mounting process. And as you can see, the sensor is already back in there already. Valve stem connected and ready to go. So with that, next thing, because these are sharps and we don't have the clamps, we just getting this, we don't have the plastic clamps. So what you do is, to avoid any type of scratches on the rim, we're going to what? Duct tape. Now that it's duct tape, the very next thing is, because this is shorter distance than this distance here, from the lip to here, shorter here to here, this is a mount upside down rim. So let's mount it upside down. We're gonna flip it over. Need your trusty lube to lube it up. Once you lube it all the way up, all the way around the rim like that, you're gonna do the same thing to the tire, all the way around like that. You get it right. Now that it's lubed up, we're gonna place the tire down, move the arm over here, and it's gonna guide us right around. Press the guide. Boom. Once it's spinning around like that, you're going to bring it like this and get your trusty bar. Put it right here. And let the machine work. And that's how you mount a 20. That's what it's about. Custom wheels, ground effects. Holler at us. Matson Liquor Store, Lincoln Park, right next to each other. Holler at us. You know where liquor store at, then you know where we at. Come see us. With that, we'll get you right. Peace, peace.